You're probably sitting there, reflecting on your current job, the kind of job where you spend your days with people you wouldn't otherwise choose to be around, earning less than you deserve. It's your primary, if not only, source of income, shadowed by debts that seem to have a tighter grip on you with each passing day. College loans, credit card debts, you name it, all because you followed a path that society laid out for you as the right one. And as you scroll through social media, seeing glimpses of wealth and success, you can't help but feel your dreams slipping further away, almost as if they're mocking you. How did you find yourself in this situation? Feelings of frustration and resentment bubble up inside you. You look at those who've succeeded and think, they must be dishonest, or I'm just not that lucky. You've almost convinced yourself that those dreams of yours will remain just that, dreams. But here's where you need to pay close attention. You're wrong. Yes, you heard me right. The narrative you've been sold that wealth is unattainable unless you're born into it or strike an improbable stroke of luck is a fallacy. And I'm here to dismantle that myth, piece by piece, and show you the blueprint to transforming your financial reality. This journey I'm inviting you on isn't for the faint-hearted. It demands a radical overhaul of your beliefs and the way you perceive money and success. Not everyone will make it to the end. But if you do, it's because you're part of a select group truly committed to turning their lives around. Wealth isn't just waiting for you, it's practically beckoning you over, promising a life where financial worries become a distant memory. So what exactly have you been thinking about money? Is it evil? A never-ending chase? Perhaps your education and environment have instilled certain beliefs in you. School didn't teach you how to manage or grow wealth. Movies and media painted a picture of wealth as something reserved for a lucky few. But let's dissect this for a moment. Did you know that 68% of the world's richest individuals are self-made? Yes, self-made. People like Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Jeff Bezos, and Elon Musk didn't start with silver spoons in their mouths. They began their journeys with struggles, perhaps more daunting than many of us can imagine. What sets them apart is not their starting point, but their belief system, and the actions that belief system inspired. Take Oprah, for instance. Born into poverty, she faced hurdles that would stop most in their tracks. Yet she became one of the wealthiest and most influential women in the world. Then there's Jeff Bezos, who transformed a small online bookstore into Amazon, revolutionizing how we shop and what we've come to expect from the marketplace. And let's not forget Elon Musk, whose relentless pursuit of his visions has not only made him wealthy, but is also pushing humanity toward new frontiers in space and clean energy. These stories aren't anomalies. They're proof of what's possible when you shift your mindset. The belief that money equals a salary is a trap. It's a limiting belief that confines you to a cycle of trading hours for dollars, always chasing but never quite catching. Now, let's get to the crux of the matter. How did these individuals amass their wealth at such a young age? And how can you follow in their footsteps? The secret lies in how they perceive and create value. The formula is different. It's not about hard work alone, though that's part of it, but about what your work contributes to others. Think about it. People might argue that athletes are overpaid, but the value they provide in entertainment and inspiration is deemed worth their hefty paychecks by society. Pay attention. This is crucial. The value you can provide, the problems you can solve for others, is what translates into wealth. It's not about the job title. It's about the impact of your work. Can you be replaced easily? If the answer is yes, then it's time to rethink how you're contributing value. Every job has its dignity, but not every job will lead you to wealth. It's about the unique value you bring to the table, solving problems in ways no one else can as efficiently as possible. So how do you begin to increase the value of what you do? Look for problems, big problems that affect a large number of people. Then devise solutions. Amazon solved a problem by making shopping incredibly convenient and fast. What problem can you solve? Remember, chasing after money directly is like chasing your tail. Instead, focus on finding solutions to problems, and the money will follow. But does this mean you need to invent the next big tech giant? Not necessarily. It's about identifying what people need, what they're complaining about, and then providing a solution that scales. This could be as simple as starting an online course in an area you're knowledgeable about or as complex as inventing a new technology. The scale and scope are up to you, but the principle remains the same. The path to wealth is not just about working harder. It's about working smarter. Pay attention now, because understanding this could be the turning point in your financial journey. The value you provide, and consequently, the wealth you accumulate, is directly proportional to the size of the problem you solve. The bigger the problem and the more people you help solve it for, the more value you create. This is a fundamental truth in the journey toward financial independence. One of the most significant shifts you can make in your journey is learning how to leverage your time. You see, time is the one resource we all have in equal measure, but it's how you use it that truly counts. The key? Investing your time in creating solutions and systems that continue to generate value, even when you're not actively working on them. This is the essence of leveraging your time, turning it from a finite resource into an engine of wealth creation. Consider the story of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She invested her time into creating a product that solved a common problem for women. By leveraging her initial time investment, she built a brand that continues to generate income, even when she's not actively working on it. This is a powerful example of leveraging time to create a scalable solution that addresses a widespread need. Another pivotal aspect of increasing your wealth is to invest in assets that generate money. This means putting your resources, be it time, money, or both, into things that will provide you with a return on investment. Real estate, stocks, and even starting your own business are examples of assets that can grow in value over time or provide a steady stream of income. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our time, made his fortune not by saving his earnings, but by consistently investing in companies with strong fundamentals and holding on to those investments over a long period. His approach to investing in assets that generate money has turned him into one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet. What's critical to understand from Buffett's journey is the importance of patience, research, and investing in value. Now, let's talk about the actionable steps you can take to start increasing your value, leveraging your time, and investing in assets. Identify a problem to solve. Look for a problem that affects a significant number of people. The larger and more pressing the problem, the greater the opportunity to create value. Leverage your time by creating solutions. Develop a product, service, or system that solves this problem. Focus on solutions that can operate independently of your time, such as digital products, online courses, or automated services. Invest in assets. Begin setting aside a portion of your income to invest in assets that generate money over time. Start small if you need to, but start. Whether it's buying stocks, investing in real estate, or even reinvesting profits into your business, these assets can grow and contribute to your wealth. Educate yourself continuously. Wealth creation is a journey of continuous learning. Invest in your education, read books, attend workshops, and learn from those who have successfully navigated the path to financial freedom. Subscribe to this channel for daily doses of wealth wisdom. By engaging with this message, you're taking the first step towards a profound transformation in your financial life. You're part of a special group of individuals who are not content with the status quo, who are ready to challenge their beliefs about money and take control of their financial future. Remember, wealth is not just about having money. It's about having the freedom and the means to live life on your terms. It's about solving problems, adding value, and making a difference. And it all starts with the belief that you can change your financial destiny. Congratulations on embarking on this journey. Your next step is to take action. Identify a problem you're passionate about solving, start leveraging your time more effectively, and begin investing in assets that generate money. The path to wealth is before you, and the steps you take today can lead to a future where financial worries are a thing of the past. I believe in you. Now it's your turn to believe in yourself. Type yes in the comments to take that first step and join others on their wealth-building journey. Keep moving forward. Wealth is waiting for you, but more importantly, a life of fulfillment and freedom is within your grasp. Your journey to transforming your money beliefs starts now. Are you ready?